How to bold text on WhatsApp messages. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can bold text on WhatsApp messages, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to bold text on WhatsApp messages, this is a simple command that you can do. You don't have to go to any fancy site or anything. All you have to do is go ahead and simply open the Messenger application or the WhatsApp application here, and now you can simply go to a specific message. Normally if you send a message, it is going to be sent as a normal message, as you can see, but what if you want to bold them? Well, if you want to bold them, it is actually very simple. All you have to do is first of all type in asterisk. Once you type in asterisk, simply enter your message over here. So you can type in anything, and without space or anything, you want to simply end the text with another asterisk, and as you do that, your message is going to be bold, as you would be able to find it. Now once you hit the send button, the message is going to be sent in a bold text. That's it on today's video on how you can send a bold text on WhatsApp. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.